During a routine gorge crossing, a sudden flash flood tests a seasoned explorer's instincts and requires rapid partner coordination. She fabricates a dry shelter from a tarp and fallen branches and identifies a higher, safer exit path. With a calm voice, she teaches a rapid water risk check using slope, debris, and known escape routes. As the river swells, backtracking to the trail and lowering her center of gravity keep her safe and focused. The takeaway is preparation, situational awareness, and deliberate action that transform fear into resilience for every adventure.